Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new to my channel, hey, my name is Rouser-Davis and I'm here with a new video. So today I'm giving you guys this smoky look. I took a poll on Instagram and you guys wanted to see a smoky green look, and y'all, I'm feeling it. This look was inspired by Tutorials by Tina, and if you guys don't subscribe or you don't follow her on Instagram I said Instagram twice. Instagram or YouTube, please do. I'll make sure to have her video of this eye look down below in the description box because she's fire. Ooh, y'all, I'm really feeling this green. It looks so pretty with my skin tone and my eyes. Like, it make my eyes look so chocolatey. I don't think it's a word, but we're gonna run with it. So if you guys want to see this look, continue watching. Okay, so if you hear rain, it's because it's raining at this very moment of time. But I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette because I haven't used this palette. Can you see? I'm going to use the Jaclyn Hill palette because I haven't used this palette in a very, very long time. And if you got your hands on it, I'm so happy you got your hands on it. Also, you'll be able to get this palette at morphebrushes.com, and also you'll be able to get it at some Ultas. And of course, it'll have new packaging because my packaging, y'all, it looks a mess. So first, I'm going to start off with the shade Hunts. And I'm going to use a Morphe E27 brush. I'm going to go in with this color right here, and it's just a shade darker than the shade we used before, and this is in the shade Roxanne. And for that, I'm going to use my Morphe M518 brush. Take this nice brown shade right here, and this is called Chip, and I'm going to use my Morphe M573 brush. Now I'm going to go in with this pretty teal green shade, and this is in the shade Jade. But I'm going to use my favorite brush ever for the lid. I'm going to use my Japanese brush and two boom. Next, I'm going to use my Sigma Blending E36 brush, and y'all, I love this brush for like cut creases when I really need to get into the crease to like blend colors together. This is amazing, y'all. Get your hands on this. So I'm going to use my Better Than Sex mascara. Next, I'm going to use my Cocoa lashes, and these are in the style Venus. Yes, these are in the style Venus. And I'm just going to use my House of Lashes glue. And while that is drying, I'm going to go ahead with my primer and foundation. And for my primer, I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty primer. I did my forehead off camera because I had to do my baby hairs. And I'm going to wait a little bit before I put my foundation on. But for my foundation, I'm using a Fenty Beauty foundation in the shade 430. And I'm going to go in with the Sigma Flat Kabuki F80 brush. This is my favorite brush. Next to my e.l.f. brush. So I'm gonna let my foundation sit for a little while, but I'm gonna let you guys, give you guys a little update. So yes, I'll be doing challenges, like makeup challenges, nothing crazy. Well, the first one I'm doing is pretty insane. I think I'm gonna cry. Yes, I'll be doing more vlogs. Yes, I'll be doing more hair tutorials. Yes, I'll be doing an updated brow routine because my brow routine is so different from last year's. Yes, I would do a wash and go routine. Yes, I would do challenges because I know you guys like challenges, or some of you like challenges. Yes, I'll be doing more get ready with me because I know you guys love get ready with me's. Yes, I'll be vlogging more, and I'll be vlogging like out of town trips, like when I go out of town and stuff like that. I have a lot on my list. Like I have a planner, I have a booklet, like a journal of stuff I'm doing this year, videos I'm doing this year. Like I'm so excited for 2018, you guys. So now since the foundation is done, I'm going to go in with my concealers. So now since the foundation is done, I'm going to go in with my concealers. I'm going to use a Tarte Shape Concealer in the shade Deep Sand and Tan Sand. This is deep, Kayla, baby girl. This is deep. This is Tan Sand, and I like to mix those together because deep is a little too deep. Like it's weird, like it goes on light and then it darkens, which is weird. I'm not for that. I like natural, but baby, I'm going with a bang. So I'll be back because I have to wash my sponge. And like now I just want to let my concealer sit just for a little bit so I can get more full coverage and stick better to the foundation. I just went ahead and did my chin because I don't want my chin to stand out, you know, too much. I just want my nose and my under eye to stick out, and I really don't do my forehead anymore. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to set my under eye and all the areas that I use this concealer. Now I'm going to use my Sephora MicroSmooth powder, and this is in the shade Mahogany. I'm just going to put this all over my face. Now I'm going to take my Covergirl Queen Collection bronzer. And I'm going to use, and the powder brush was the Morphe E41 brush. And then for my bronzer, I'm going to use the Morphe R10 brush. They just need some more spreading or something. Cause I usually wear my hair down, so I just try to smooth everything as much as possible, you know. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do our under eye because I don't really do blush. I do blush sometimes, but sometimes I don't feel like it. I just like to look bronzy and glowy. So now I'm going to do our under eye, and I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs gel eyeliner. And I'm going to use all the shades that I used in my crease. And for that, I'm going to use the Morphe 506 brush. Now I'm going to use the mascara that I use for my top lashes for my bottom. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in 100 Molten Gold. And y'all, this is the truth. I love this freaking highlighter, and it's only like $7 to $10. I'm not sure, but it's amazing drugstore highlighter. And I'm going to use my Morphe M501 brush. This is what I'm going to use. Also gonna put it in my brow bone. Now I'm gonna spray this Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray all over my face. And for my lips, I'm gonna use a gloss and a lip liner. So for my lip liner, I'm gonna use the NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Maison. Okay, so I love NYX Suede Matte Lip Liners, but the gag is this does not match the tip, but it's still a pretty color. Ooh, I like this color by itself. Okay, so I was gonna do a gloss. I'm not doing the gloss. I'm not doing the gloss. I was gonna do a gloss. I was gonna do the Anastasia gloss, and I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. Let me find it. This color right here, because I love gloss. But y'all, I'm feeling this lip liner. I used to love wearing NYX lip liners just as lipsticks because they're very pretty, very comfortable, and they look good. I like it a lot, actually. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below more looks you guys want to see. I have a list of ideas that I want to do on this channel. Also, I will be doing Valentine's Day looks and get ready with me. Like, get ready with me on Valentine's Day, because I know you guys will really enjoy that. And I can do like an outfit of the day or something like that, or outfit of the night. Just let me know down below. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Did I mention I love you guys?